Alright guys, we're back with Koda. So we're at the point now, we've been shaping the down and stuff. You get to a point in the training that you've got to start being able to, and we talk about this all the time, being able to use the nick to get the dog to go down. We're not quite there yet, but after you've done it X amount of times and the dog understands what you want, good. And you know, this dog is a terrible jumper. We've not corrected him for jumping at all. We've only inundated him with the going down. But I'm still keeping my foot on there. But we're going to get to the point that we need to be able to use the nick and the pager to get the dog to go down. You know, to make it do it when it doesn't want to do it. And you get these ridiculous positive trainers. Well, let's not make it do anything it doesn't want to do. Okay, let's follow that with kids too. And just anybody. Let's not make them do anything they don't want to do. You know, that's ridiculous. Oh, good boy. You have to make them believe that that's what they want to do is really what it is. So I do have my Sunbox collar on. Just going to work a little bit on the healing. So we're kind of doing two things at once here. Koda. Good. Good. Oh, I'm dropping that slack there. Good. Good. Heel. Good. We don't do a sit at all. Down. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of nick right there, but I'm going to do it concurrent with a little pressure on the leash. Down. Oh, good. Down. Good. Good. No. Good. Down. We are not quite to the point with this dog of asking it to go on the hip yet either. You guys know that. When we get them down, it kind of drives me nuts when I see people on YouTube. Not that I have time. I'm too busy watching To Catch a Predator to really watch any training videos. But, you know, if you're going to make it down, if you really want the dog to stay there, you've got to ask him to shift over onto that hip. But that's going to come next. We're just going to get him going down. Good boy. Go down. Good. So same thing. Down. I'm not putting as much pressure on. No. Good. What a wonderful time. Once you can get them downing with the collar, then you can start doing the off-leash healing. Good. 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 So remember, I'm dropping this slack on that turn. That's part of the cue. Heel. Good. Good. So this hand to control my length. Good. Down. Wonderful! So without any pressure on the leash, I was able to get him to go down with the nick. That's where you guys have got to get to the point of being. You see us walking along, making him down, da 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 da. It looks easy, but it's not. Good. Good. And the reason we don't do a sit, one, because everybody says their dog already knows how to sit. But two, the mechanics are going to be different. If you ask a dog to sit every time before you make it go down, the mechanics are going to be this. We want the mechanics to be this. Koda. I've got my leash this way. Don't get your hand turned around and hold your leash this way. You'll be able to drop that leash. Heel. Good. Good. Now I'm going to go back to the same spot. Down. Wonder, 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 wonder. Wonder. Koda. Heel. Oh, he's a good boy. Heel. So you're well on your way to being able to start doing the off-leash when you can get to this point. Down. Wonder, wonder, wonder. And he actually went on his hip on his own that time. Good. Good. I'm giving him a whole handful of treats. We're using the hot dogs right now, you guys, so no. Down. Good. Added my nick right there. I've only got my nick set on about 20. Good. Good. No. Good. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Oh, this is a tremendous little dog. Koda. Good. Down. Good, 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 good. 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 You can't stop every time they scratch at the collar. Heel. Good. Good. Heel. Heel. Added my nick right there, you guys, on that heel. I had started doing that yesterday. You guys weren't here then. But when that leash went tight, heel. Good. Good. Heel. Again, it's all very down, impersonal. No, down. Oh, good Lord, stop that. No. Down. Good. 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 I want to try to get him over on the hip. All I've got to do is move back towards his hip. No. Almost. No. Down. Good. Koda. Good. Good boy. Good. Heel. Good. Heel. Good. Heel. Good. Heel. Good. Same thing. Down. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So that was just one nick. Good. Good, wonderful, wonderful. I guess we'll be right back with the fetching with Koda.